Hey there, YouTube, 85cc Master here. Taking a load of logs to a fella around the corner from me. He's got a woodmizer LT40, and I need firewood racks built like now. So I got a load of pine on our smaller trailer, and I'm gonna get them sawed up into boards so I can build some firewood racks, so I can get some firewood split up, cut, and sold for this upcoming winter season. So tag along in the video. I'll get some footage while I'm out there. I'm doing this because I don't have my woodmizer sawmill yet. Should it'll be summertime by the time I get it, so tag along in the video. Thank you. Hey there, YouTube. So we made it out here. Here's his log yard. Do a little tour. He's got some good sized logs out here. He's got a little bit of everything, it looks like. Bunch of pine. Got some hardwoods. That's a big one. Big old one there. These are bigger in person. That's a big old one right there. Wow. Alright, looks like he's unloading the logs now off my trailer. He's got a Kubota, was a SVL 75 with a grapple. He's got a LT40 woodmizer. Look at the size of that big old boy right there. That thing's daggone taller than a dump truck. Whew! Let's get a closer look at this mill. Like it's got a can on it right now. Pretty awesome. Gonna be sawing up my pine shortly. everyone. It is the end of the day. It's been a long, tiring day. Whew. This was loaded down with lumber. It's now stacked and stickered in the barn. But here's what I got left to stack tomorrow. These 3 logs. Didn't have enough time to cut those. It was fine though. Those were the 3 smallest ones out of all of them. I got a pretty thick one right there. That one's at least 2 inches thick. I got like 3 of them thick ones in there. And all the short ones I got still right there to stack. I got a few oddball cuts, thin and really thick right there. I'll show you what it looks like stacked up inside the barn on the concrete floor. So here we are. It's stacked up in 3 piles. I used some blocks and some thinner blocks to sticker it. A lot of lumber. I will shoot, all of this is well enough for me to make my firewood rack, so I saw my firewood in. Plenty of enough. And it cost me $140 for 2 hours. Charged me $70 an hour. So I know if I went to the store and bought rough cut lumber, you know, this size and dimensions and whatnot, 1.5 inches thick, I know it'd cost me over $140. So I think I made out good. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Again, I got this done today because I don't have my mill yet. My woodmizer LX25 will hopefully be done in June. So in the meantime, I guess I might take another load to that fella and get him to mill them up for me. But after that, I'll be able to mill my own logs. That'll be awesome. I can't wait. So there'll definitely be videos coming out on that. Once again, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. This is 85cc Master. Y'all have a good one.